Good morning. This is Amanda. I'm kind of new here. Yeah, I put the camera there. It wasn't like a big surprise. Okay, so I need to do a meal plan. And there's stuff I know I need to use. So, here's some turkey. That's gonna go on the plan. But let's look at the other stuff, okay? It might be time to clean out my fridge as well. My husband has been holding on to Cadbury caramel eggs since Easter. That's love. I have some shredded cheese that can come down. And I have some queso. And I also have, those are bacon bits. This is pasta leftovers from last night. I have, then it's time to clean that out. That was from steak fajitas the other day. I have some sunflower seeds, which are salad toppings. I have some yogurts. I have summer sausage. I don't know what that is. Looks like breakfast sausage. Either way, it's getting thrown away. So yogurts. And let's see, what's this? Oh, Parmesan cheese. I have milk, I have juices, I have apple cider, cranberry juice, orange juice I'm probably not going to finish. I'm weird like that. I sometimes love it and sometimes don't. I have some mint chocolate milk in the back, regular milk, some chocolate milk. I have that shredded cheese I moved down. And I have turkey. I gotta figure out something to do with that. I have fudge that I made with my grandfather. And a root beer. That's gonna get moved. I have lettuce, yogurt drinks, a boatload of chocolate, some minced garlic. I have a lot of fruit. I have a lot of veggies. Some shallots, some broccoli, some sweet potatoes, and some salad mixes that my husband bought without thinking ahead that we already had stuff. And in my meat drawer thing, I have biscuits, which was so that we thought my stepdaughter was going to be here so we can make her monkey bread. I have mozzarella cheese. I have parm. I have salami and more salami and hot dogs and American cheese. And for condiments and stuff, we have all the usual suspects. I bought these and I bought a deal. They're okay. They're not my favorite. Probably a flavor thing. Root beer that our neighbors gave us. Buttercream cheese. And oh my gosh, the amount of candy. And I have a little vodkas because you never know. Alright, so I guess that means it's time to start the meal plan. My grandmother and I have always gotten together. And one of the things that we have always done is we look at the cookbook she has and we say, oh, that doesn't look so bad. Or I take pictures of the recipes to try later. And well, so she gave me a cookbook. I don't know where she found it. I don't know if she had an extra. I don't know. What I do know is this is the flavors of the Quad Cities cookbook. This is a cookbook that came out in like right when I was out of high school, so maybe like 2001, something like that. And I have a thing for church cookbooks and everything, so what I'm gonna do this week, I think I'm gonna use this for inspiration. So today is Monday, so I've got to use the turkey up. And I actually was looking through this recipe book yesterday, and it was a turkey jambalaya. And yeah, that's called A miss. Yeah, I made a boo-boo writing that. Oh well. So, for the next thing, I saw that I have hot dogs, so we're gonna do hot dogs something. I have potatoes. I know I have onions. So, poor man meal. Remember that time I said, I've been saying I want to make this and I haven't. And I know they have something like this in the recipe book. But I think I'm going to do, and I think I saw something that's like a made right. So diner. Because I know I've got the stuff for that. And then, I don't know. Oh, they had a Parmesan crusted chicken in there. So we'll do a chicken. No. Ham balls. That is my husband's favorite thing. And that is New Year's Eve. So then on Friday, New Year's Day, that's when I will do made rights. And I realized, and I still spelled it wrong, silly me. And then Saturday and Sunday, I'm not really sure what we'll do, but I know that we are going to have a boatload of leftovers here. And I wrote down made right on Wednesday, didn't I? Well, on New Year's Day, we'll find something with beans. Because New Year's, right? Alright, so here's what we'll do. And I'm leaving the weekend free because, well, we'll have leftovers. So I know I have turkey. I know I saw turkey jambalaya. I think it was on page 54. I know that they have a hot dog poor man's meal type deal in there. They have made rights. They have, and I saw ham balls, and that's New Year's Day or Eve, and then on New Year's Day we'll have something with beans. Okay, I've got a plan. All right, so I've got a plan, but now I just got to do the research. And Grandma, when you see this, if you see this, you know, somebody shows it to you or whatnot, thank you for the gifts. My grandmother gave me two things that she was very excited about, and one is this cookbook that I am so excited to use. Thank you. And this one, the Easy Gluten-Free Cookbook. I think she got this from Amazon, and maybe my cousin or my aunt ordered it for her because Grandma doesn't do anything on the internet, so that she's aware of. She has my aunt play videos on her phone or something. But, thank you. Anyway, guys, today's the Monday after Christmas, in between Christmas and New Year's, and my husband is home right now, so, well, he's home every day. That was just a silly thing to say. But, he's doing projects for the house. I can't wait to show you. Oh my God, I can't wait. Finally, I'm getting little things that I want. Little as in, you know, I'm not tearing down walls or anything. So, alright. I'll see you guys later. Bye.